Hey, hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to attempt to do or plant some elephant ears. I've never been able to find these. I've been looking for these all over the place. These are the mammoth elephant ears. They cost me about $9.97, which isn't bad. But this one is the big one. It's not. I've planted the small ones before, but I've never did the big ones like this one. So I'm excited because these, I think, let's see, these get up to 36 to 60 inches. So that's really, really high. Way bigger than the ones that I usually plant. So I'm very excited. I can't wait to put these in the ground, put this in the ground, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what my hole looks like. Okay, so this is the hole that I've just dug. Use a shovel right there. I'm also using flower, vegetable, garden soil. And I'm just basically going to put this in the bottom, in there, and the top. You can see where there's some growth that is on the top right there. And that part is going to go on the top, and this part is going to go on the bottom. And so now I need to get in here and scrape out a little bit. I've already put a little bit of that soil in here. So I'm just going to kind of dig that hole a little deeper. Like that. And just put that in there like this. Okay, and so according to the, let's see, okay, so then you plant in spring, okay, okay, trying to see, okay, bird per square, okay, planting depth 6 inches. So we're not gonna smother it, but put just enough dirt on top that it covers it a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some dirt, and I'm gonna show you that whole process. Okay, so hopefully you can see me. I'm gonna go ahead and cover the elephant ear bulb with some soil. Get my glove. I don't think I want to use the soil because it has ants in it. We've recently had a lot of rain. And there's like red ants everywhere. So I don't think I'm going to use. So what we're going to do is just add some soil in there. I don't want to use that soil. I don't want the ants to nibble on my bulb here. We're just going to cover it like that. Add just a little bit more. Okay, I think that should do it. Then once we do that, we're going to add some water. See me, hopefully. And add some water. Make sure it's good and moist, because elephant ears love moisture, but not too much, but just enough. Just like that. And there we go. And that, my friends, is it. Now all we have to do is wait for it to grow. I'm not sure how long it takes. It doesn't really say on here. If I'm not mistaken, because I did a little research before I planted it. It looks like someone said maybe it starts growing it grows pretty fast. That is one of the good things about elephant ears, is that they grow pretty rapidly. And I think someone said about maybe 6 to 8 weeks. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. You might want to do your own research, but I do know that it doesn't take that long. So we should be seeing something very soon. Once it starts to grow, I'm going to come back on and show you all how it looks. And that is it.